I told ya, I'm a headshot from here to Jamaica. I'm here with a mission, like a mission. All I do is wanna kiss ya. Told ya, like Roswell, bitch, every day of the week. Still want your feet. For my joint, I gotta go. $1 million home. For my joint, I gotta go. We don't want your feet. Big Susie, bitch, you out of pocket. Nigga, she can stop it. Money bag, daughter throw it. You know that a Louis Bug is holding. To break for, tell God what I wait for. The judge of the drummer with a soldier. But you know them Broadways, like a drummer boy hallway, like a hard chate, or a hard Chevy. Yo, you wanna know that it's a Chevy, like Lil Sody. You from Jamaica, you already know I'm a soldier. You already know I got the rollers. Told the roller. From every prison, you already know I'm a soldier. So don't see it's crazy. All you know is because the guy's kinda hazy. I'm looking like I'm hazy. Cause he can't play me. Cause you already know Santa. Cause I'm gonna go ahead now. Took another station. Cause you already know I'm from Oakland. Good fucking fucking racing. Like a bitches like I'm Haitian. No, but bitch, I'm Jamaican. Think we're gonna never be a prison. Again, cause he told ya. Cause I shoot on my shoulder. You already look at rollers. Cause they're like I hold ya. Rolled up, bitch, every day of the week. Choosy her when we don't want your feet. Bitch, you out of pocket. Told you, I told you.